how to use Stand Store for affiliate marketing. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stand Store for affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use Stand Store for affiliate marketing, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Create your Stand Store account. You can start with a 14-day free trial and then choose between Creator $29 slash more or Creator Pro $99 slash more based on the features you need. Step 2. Once your account is created, build your store. Personalize your creator profile by picking a color scheme, font style, and other details that match your audience. Step 3. Add ClickBank affiliate products by navigating to the My Store tab and selecting Add a product. Choose external link URL to add your ClickBank products. Step 4. Upload a product image and select a button style. Add your ClickBank affiliate URL to ensure you get credit for any purchases made through your referral link. Step 5. Publish your product on your Stand Store. Your affiliate product will appear on your store page with your unique ClickBank affiliate link. Step 6. Promote your affiliate products through your social media content. Use the link in your bio to drive traffic to your Stand Store and be sure not to over promote. Step 7. Ensure you use your unique ClickBank tracking link for each product to earn commissions from your affiliate sales. So that's how you can use Stand Store for affiliate marketing. That's all for this video.